NIT Puducherry recruitment for Executive Engineer, Technical Assistant, Superintendent, Junior Assistant. This is the official site of National Institute of Technology, Puducherry, and you can see here job opportunities at NIT Puducherry. This is the opportunities page of official site of NIT Puducherry, and recruitment for teaching positions as well as non-teaching positions. And now here this is for the non-teaching positions. If you click here, the official notification and application form will also be downloaded, and these are the rules and procedure for recruitment of online fee payment as well. So let's see. This is the official notification of NIT Puducherry recruitment for different posts. For executive engineer, 1 post. The number of posts for executive engineer is 1, and for technical assistant there are 3 posts. There is only 1 post for executive engineer, and for technical assistant 3. Superintendent there are 2 posts. For junior assistant there are 4 vacancies, and for office attendant 1 vacancy. And these vacancies are just indicative only, and the institute have rights to fill or not fill any vacancies depending upon their criteria as per the norms of government. So how to apply is you need to send a hard copy of application form. The application form looks like this. It is a Word document which comprises of advertisement number, date, SBI collect reference, and you need to pay the fees via SBI collect and post apply. This is what a glimpse of application form which comprise of your basic details and address, and also educational qualifications and post qualification experience, and if you have any experience, or this is the professional experience and your relevant information. This is what application looks like. And now you need to fill in this hard copy, and you need to send via register post to the application for the post mentioned. This is what the address you need to send in before 15th of this next month, that is March 15, 2021 by 5 p.m. and also you need to send that application form whichever you have. You need to email them as it is shown here before 10th of next month, that is you need to send via post and also email. You need to send email with affixing all the documents to this email ID. Now we'll see what are the skills and what are the eligibility criteria. Before that, the application fees for different posts is rupees 500 for general category and rupees 250 for SC/ST category, and the age limit, everything we will be seeing in the due course of time. Right now, the selection criteria, for the post of executive engineer, it requires experience, and the maximum age limit is 35 years, so it needs some experience as well. And this is a pay band of executive engineer. And for different, and the qualification is BTech in either civil or electrical with first class, and also there is an experience of 5 years required, and this is for the year 1 year probation depending upon the criteria. So the next post is the technical assistant. The maximum age is 30 years, and essential qualification needed is just a first class in any degree, that is bachelor degree, bachelor in technology or MCA, or first class in diploma in engineering, or first class in bachelor science or master's degree. So these are all the essential qualifications which are required to fulfill or eligible for the post of technical assistant, and the pay scale is 9,300 to 34,800, and the eligibility criteria is based on selection procedure depending upon the institute, and education qualification and this is also for the period of 1 year. The mode of selection, as you can see here, 75% by direct recruitment and 25% by promotion or deputation. So if they don't have any person who is having a promotion, they will recruit via direct recruitment, so you can apply for this post as well. So this is the next post is superintendent, which also has some prior experience needed. This is a pay scale 9,300 to 34,800. The maximum age is 30 years, and the essential qualifications are bachelor degree or master's degree in any discipline from the recognized university, and there should be a knowledge of computers in word processing, spreadsheet, and also this is desirable, not mandatory, at least 3 years experience as a junior assistant or equivalent. So this is just desirable but not mandatory, so you can even apply for the different posts, that is superintendent as well. So this is regarding the post of superintendent. This is also for the 1 year for direct recruits as per NIT statute. And for the post of junior assistant, the essential qualification is 10+2 secondary, and also there should be a minimum typing speed of 35 words per minute and a proficiency in computer word processing and spreadsheet. The desirable thing, not essential thing, the proficiency in computer skills or stenography skills as well. So the eligibility criteria is 10+2 and some experience, not experience, but proficiency skills in computer knowledge, and the age criteria is 27 years. So there the pay band is around 5,200 to 20,200. This is also for the post and the selection criteria is 75% direct recruitment and 25% promotion. And the next post is senior assistant. Senior assistant, the age criteria is 33 years, and 10+2 is the eligibility criteria with 35% words per minute, and desirable thing is proficiency in computer skills or bachelor degree. This is desirable, any proficiency in computer skills or bachelor degree, so you can apply for this post as well. So this for different post, as you can see here, for this post 50% by promotion, 50% by direct recruitment. So in order to apply for different posts, you need to send different application forms, and also you need to pay different fees criteria. So the next thing is office assistant. The next vacancy is office assistant or lab assistant, and the pay band is 5,200 to 20,200. Essential qualification is 10+2, and for anything that is 10+2 in science or recognized board. So age criteria is 27 years, not exceeding 27 years, and selection procedure is 100% direct recruitment. As you can see here, it is based on direct recruitment 100%. So this is the different vacancies of different posts in the NIT Puducherry of executive engineer, technical assistant, superintendent, and junior assistant, office attendant. So for different posts like technical assistant, superintendent, junior assistant, office assistant, office attendant, for all these posts the bachelor degree is, that is BTech or a master's degree or MCA, they are eligible to apply for these posts. So you need to apply via this form, that is application form. You need to send a soft copy. As you can see here, I need to send a soft copy. Application should be soft copy, and also you need to email them, and you need to pay fees via SBI Collect. So everything like notification and this application form link is given in the description. You can just click on there, and you can just go to official site or download it from it. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.